What's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. You're so much welcome, and subscribe. The returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since '06, I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know.
So I want to remind you guys to subscribe. Subscription is free. Subscription is free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to pay any money. You don't have to recharge. You just have to tap the subscribe button. So make sure you subscribe as you watch this video, and make sure you watch to the end, and make sure you like the video and share to your friends. Tell them I'm fun. Tell them Tell them I'm fun. Tell them my videos are fun to watch and educative and interesting. Tell them to come and subscribe and watch my videos. Yeah, after you've done all that, comment down in the comment section and tell me to send you airtime.
Nice.
Thank you.
Damn!
So what's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I still have the hair here since the day I mixed it. Yeah, so my sister alikuwa ameanza kunisuka. I have the braids. Nishafunga na sitaki kutoanisha. Yeah, so alikuwa ameanza kunisuka, but then she was not feeling well. So akaacha. So I'm going to the salon to get my hair done. Yeah, I've also not been feeling well for the past few days. I've even lost appetite. I'm just craving like frozen things. Juzi ilikuwa Coke, jana yogurt. Today I'm craving mala, ile mala sweetened. So let me just show you my feet for today. I have this cap on. Ifunika hizi nywele zinakaa sijui aje. I have this crop top, these jeans and a belt, and I add Crocs hapo. Yeah, that's it. And I'll be carrying this bag. Hii ndo nitabebea braids. Yeah.
I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love you, seen the way to me leave. I do the world I've seen. We are nobody who Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold that they bar? That's how they move the sheep. And then I really put you to bar. Midnight was that she got.
What's up, good people? Hi. So this is the next day and I'm just laying here. I'm thinking of how I'll wake up and head out because we need to go do some shopping and some grocery shopping. Yeah, and I'm still thinking of how I'll wake up from here. So yesterday I went to do my hair, as I told you guys, and this is it. A bit painful, but yeah. And I just realized one thing. Since 2022, every first quarter of the year, I've been always having this color of braids, the same braids, knotless braids in this color since 2022. Yeah, so we're going to do some shopping, and after there, I'm not sure what will be next.
Until the night is over, I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's what I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. Come here, cause it's time. Hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride.
What's up, good people? So this is the next day, and right now it's in the morning, 10:35, and I just want to take my breakfast and do some cleaning. Yeah.
If you get Zawa, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigga. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your candle light, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
What's up, good people? So I'm done with cleaning. Right now I just want to head to town